Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Get this soon. Also, welcome to the 43rd episode of Leetcode SQL 50 challenge. In case you have no idea, in Leetcode there is this challenge called SQL 50 where it consists of 50 most important type of SQL problems. It covers different topics. Now we are in the last topic and we are just left with two more problems. So in this episode and in the next episode we are going to complete this Leetcode SQL 50 challenge. Once we are done with this challenge, you will get this Leetcode SQL 50 batch. So without any further delay, let's get started with today's video. That is last but one easy level Leetcode problem. That is list the products ordered in a period. Okay, here in this question you can see there are only two tables. One is product tables, which has basically the details of product like product ID, product name and product category. And we have other table called orders table, which have details like on which order date, how many units of which product got an order. Basically, it's like a shop. There are few items, there are few orders. Okay. Now let's look at the question. We are supposed to write a solution to get the names of products that have at least 100 units ordered in the month of February 2020 and their amount. Okay. Here we need the names of products, that is first thing, of which at least 100 units, and the condition is 2020 year February. Okay. So you can see order date February 2020 we have to check. Second thing we have to check is unit, which is at least 100. So 100 or more than 100 it should have. Now what we need, product name. Product name is not present here. From this table, these two columns we will check and we will match the product ID, and from this table we can get the product name. So basically we have to join these two tables, and once we filter out the options from these two conditions with the help of product ID, we can get the product name and we can show it in the result. Okay. Now let's look at an example. Here you can see there are 5 products like Leetcode Solutions book, Jewels of Stringology book, 2 different laptops and 1 t-shirt. These are the 5 products available. We have product IDs and we have product category. We don't have to look at product category at all. Now we have orders table. You can see the products like 1 means Leetcode Solutions book, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all these products are listed here. You can see the order date and units are also listed here. Now, what are the two conditions? At least 100 units in the month of February and in the year of 2020. So, first product ID in the month of February 2020, we have two entries, 60 plus 70. So, total 130 units. So, this is greater than 100. So, this we can, product ID 1, we can put it in the output. So what is the product ID 1? What is the name? Leetcode Solutions. So Leetcode Solutions with 130 units. Now moving ahead with product 2. Product 2, this is January 2020. We will not consider this. This is February 2020. We have 80 units. So it is less than 100. So we will not mention this in our output. Third thing is February 2020. 3 plus 2, which is equals to 5. Third also doesn't qualify to be entered in the output. Now fourth, there is no February at all. All of them belongs to March. That's why we will not put fourth also in the output. Fifth, you can see there are two entries from February 2020, which is 50 plus 50, that is equals to 100. So as they mentioned, at least 100, right? So equal to 100 can also be mentioned in the output. Therefore, what is the fifth one? Fifth product is Leetcode Kit. Leetcode Kit, 100. Okay. So in the output, basically we need two things. One is the product name and the second is unit. How are we getting the product name? In this table. How are we getting the units? By checking order date and unit column. So what is the we are supposed to join these two tables with the help of product ID, and we are supposed to output this and this by filtering with this. So I hope it is very clear now, the example. Now let's see how to code this. So basically, whatever we are supposed to mention in the output, we will put it under the select statement, right? So select product underscore name, and the second column is unit column. We are using sum of unit column, which we'll again discuss here, but I'm telling you why sum of unit. Because here you can see 60 plus 70. So for only one product ID, there are two entries, 60 plus 70. So we are supposed to do it sum. But how do we sum it? With the help of group by. So whenever we have same thing multiple times present, we can group by them and use this aggregate function sum of unit. So this is what we are mentioning in the output. Now, before how to get the output value inside this unit value is, let's see how to code it. So we are selecting all these things from the products table, join orders table. So basically we are joining these two tables. How are we joining? By the common column, that is product underscore ID. So products join orders using products underscore ID column. This is the column name. Now getting started with the first condition given, order in February 2020. February is the month, right? So where year is equals to order underscore date 2020 and month of order date is equals to 2. So year, and in the bracket we can put the column name and we can put the value here, and month we can put the column name here and the value here. And also you can see here in the where condition we are putting two conditions, and that's why we are using this logical operator and. Whenever we use logical operator and, it means this should be satisfied and this should also be satisfied. And as I already said, multiple values are present for the single product. We are doing sum, right? So to get rid of confusion, to get rid of missing any of them, we will group by 1. 1 means nothing but the first column, that is product ID column. Okay, so we are grouping by the product ID column. Okay, now once we group by, all these values will come under one place. So for product ID 1, 60 comma 70. So these units will be coming to one place. For product ID 2, 30 comma 80. Everything will be coming into one place. So sum of unit we can easily do. Right? Now coming to the last and final condition, that is at least 100 units should be present. So having sum of unit should be greater than 99. We can put something like greater than or equal to 100, or you can simply put like greater than 99. So I hope this code is pretty clear. I hope you understood how to code it. But still, if you have any doubts, make sure you comment below. We are done with last but one problem of Leetcode SQL 50 challenge. We are just left with one more problem. Once it is done, we will get this Leetcode SQL 50 badge. So please make sure you like it, share it, and subscribe to our channel. Get please soon. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Bye bye.